We do hear a lot from President Trump about tariffs, about interest rates, about the dollar. As an investor, how much do you take that on board, and how do you maybe adjust your investment strategy in response to those sort of comments?
Wonderful question. All you need to do is look at the daily market reaction to those type of comments. And when we see a tweet come from the president and the Dow futures will dive a few hundred points in the morning, and then by mid-afternoon we're back to break even, I think what you see here is that headline risk that is kind of driving that knee-jerk reaction right now to the market. This is one of those markets where it's almost very, very, very important to try to avoid the noise and the intraday noise of the market. And right now it's odd to have that coming from such a position, but the fact of the matter is at 8:30 every day, that's kind of what we're tuned into, and what we're looking for is what we're going to hear from the president. Sometimes it's something that helps the markets, sometimes it's something that goes away from the market, but when we get into the meat of the activity in the afternoon, that's when we get away from the instant reaction to those comments. And one of the things as an investor, when you say that key word, as an investor in the markets, is important for me is to look at not the day-to-day noise or the intraday noise, but to remember those trends that we're looking at right now. And the trends right now are that the economy continues to give us signs of good, strong growth. We continue to see that in the employment numbers, a number of different places. If you look at the Philadelphia index that came out on Friday, beat expectations. I mean, we're really seeing some good strength across the market right now from a fundamental perspective. But from a technical perspective, we're seeing some very incredibly strong trends in the market. It's hard to go against those, even if you have futures that are going to open a few hundred points down because of a comment that's come from the President of the United States. So to go back to answer the question just as directly as possible, as an investor, I'm trying to actually not react to that intraday noise and keep my eye and my focus on the ball in terms of looking out a month from now or 2 months from now. And that continues to be healthy.
Still watching? Perfect. Click here to watch another great video from CNBC International. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.